Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter. I got a package from Amazon. Let's open it up and check it out. Here it is. And this one just has a little pull tab. Makes it nice and easy. Package was in good shape. It's stuck still. I think I got my knife. Well, that's not that exciting. Oh, here we go. That's more exciting. Barbecue cover. So let me tell you about this item. This is a SARCCH, which is SARCCH black grill cover. It's a 58-inch grill cover, and I paid $16.99 for it. It has 4-star rating on Amazon, and a link will be in the description to where you can find this grill cover. I ordered it on June 1st. It arrived on June 3rd. And the reason that I picked this particular grill cover, let me explain to you if you're a person that owns a grill, you most likely know this to be true. And every year, we have to buy a new grill cover because living in the Northeast, throughout the winter, our grill cover gets beaten up by the elements, and then by springtime, it's usually starting to get rips and tatters and tears in it. So I'm constantly looking to find a better grill cover, a grill cover that will last more than a season. Haven't found it yet. Maybe this one will be the case. I've even bought some expensive ones. I'm a Red Sox fan, so I bought one year that had a nice big Red Sox logo on it. It lasted maybe a season and a half. And that was it. It had tears in it by that point. It was time to throw it out and get a new one. So we don't end up spending a ton of money on them because they rip and get ruined so easily. This one was only $16.99. We'll see how it does. It claims to be made of a very strong material. It says that it's water and wind resistant, and it comes with a 30-day warranty. Now, usually they last 30 days, so that warranty is probably not going to be that helpful. But I'd be surprised if it lasts more than a year, but we'll have to see. So let's open this thing up. Feel this. So it feels almost like, well, this is just a bag, actually. So it came with a nifty little bag. I guess if you want to fold it up and put it away at the end of the season, or whenever you use it. We don't usually do that because we usually put it back on as soon as it cools the grill. But it does come with the bag. This material, I don't know if you can tell. It's pretty thin, but it's not like the other materials that I've seen in the past. Let's see how strong it is. It's got a pull string for the bottom, so you can pull it tightly around the grill. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take it outside and I'm gonna put it on the grill and show you how it looks. So let's go. So here's my gas grill. It's a Nex grill. We've gone through several grills, and yeah, we've even replaced the grates on this grill in the past. And here's the cover that we had. It's kind of like a vinyl-y cover, very thin, and you can see, let's see, there is tears in this cover. I just gotta find them. Well, anyways, you can believe me, there's several tears in this cover. Oh, here's one right here. Kind of a big one, where it's torn. So that's the kind of stuff that happens to grill covers quite frequently. Here's another tear down low. This one has a zip tie as well. So let's see if I can set my camera up to where you can see. And let's put this cover on. And there we go. Fit my grill. Like I said, this was a 58-inch. They also had an option in the same listing that I bought this one for a 30-inch. So if you have a smaller grill, a 30-inch cover might be better. We'll see how this one does. Thanks for watching this video on my nice new grill cover. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, I hope you guys have a nice summer and stay safe.